In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all hidden calendar in Google Calendar 2026. If events seem to be missing or a calendar you rely on isn't showing up, it's often because that calendar is hidden from your main view. The quickest way to see every calendar tied to your account, even the ones that aren't currently visible, is built right into Google Calendar's interface. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in to the correct Google account. This works best on a desktop browser, where you can clearly see the side panel. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. That panel is your control center for what appears on your calendar. You'll see sections like My Calendars and just below it, Other Calendars. Other Calendars is where shared calendars, subscriptions, and imported calendars usually live, and it's a common place for calendars to be hidden from the main grid. Next to Other Calendars, you'll notice a small plus button. Click that plus. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Create New Calendar. Even though you're not actually creating a new one right now, this option takes you straight to the calendar settings area, where Google lists every calendar associated with your account in one place. You'll land on the settings page. On the left side here, you can now view all your calendars, including ones that are hidden from the main calendar view. You'll see sections such as Settings for My Calendars and Settings for Other Calendars. Scroll through these lists to reveal every calendar that belongs to you, has been shared with you, or that you've subscribed to at some point. Calendars that don't show on your main grid still appear in this list, which makes it the perfect spot to find anything that's gone missing. Click any calendar name to review its details. From here, you can confirm its status, adjust the color so it stands out later, or refine notifications so you don't miss important updates. If something isn't appearing back on your main calendar, after this review, it may be because it's unchecked in the left panel of the main view or you no longer have access. In those cases, return to the main calendar and ensure the calendars box is selected, or verify that you still have permission to see it, and that's all there is to it. By using the plus button next to Other Calendars and choosing Create New Calendar, you open the settings page that exposes every calendar tied to your account, making it easy to find and manage those hidden ones.